Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, my device and HUAWEI Scale 3 device, and now I can show you how to change measurement units on HUAWEI Scale 3. Firstly, open Huawei Health application with connected your HUAWEI Scale 3. Click Devices. If you don't know how to connect your HUAWEI Scale 3, you can watch our video about it. So find here your HUAWEI Scale 3, scroll down, and here you will see measurement units. And here you can change it to the another unit. So, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.